if you are struggling like the rest of us with these websites on large displays, Squarespace does not make this easy, unfortunately. So we have to make some adjustments in order for these Squarespace websites to look good on really large displays. And even though this is not a perfect fix, I think this fix will actually help someone. So if you go over to Site Styles and then you go over to Miscellaneous, you'll see the Spacing tab. In the Spacing tab, you see I've set this to the maximum possible width. Now, if I were to reduce this, you see that spacing gets kind of like better or worse, essentially. But for large screens, you want to go as high as possible, and then you can adjust the site margin as well. This sort of improves things. It's not perfect, but it is a fix, a imperfect fix until they figure out how to actually make this look fantastic on televisions and super large displays. So hopefully that helps. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comments. Maybe we can rally together and see if Squarespace can fix this. I'd super appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. And if you have any questions along the way, please don't hesitate to send me a note. Happy to help.